Okay.
Hey judges, welcome to our team. Today we're just going to be giving you a quick run through and demonstration on the program that we've created. So firstly, our program is actually a COVID X-ray classifier such that if you input a COVID X-ray image or a normal X-ray image, it will return the probability of that X-ray image having COVID or not having COVID. And this has great applications in the hospital as currently they are overloaded with work, and implementing a system like this will allow nurses to not have to manually scrape through hundreds of files at a time. So let's quickly go through the code. Firstly, we have import libraries. Secondly, we have splitting, testing, and training data and pre-processing images such that our CNN will be able to take the images in. Now, after that, we're able to display the split between the COVID and the normal testing training data just so that our users can have a sense of what the data feels like. After that, we're appending necessary labels and features and creating arrays of NumPy arrays actually that range from 0 to 1 such that our CNN can properly take that input. Otherwise, it will not be able to process such large numbers. After that, we're reshaping the array to be used in the model, so adding a fourth dimension to it. And after that, we're actually constructing the CNN model such that it can take images and learn when it's being tested and trained. After that, we are just training. This is the training cell. This is actually going to be training our model and increasing the accuracy. I'll let my other partner go through the rest of these blocks.
All right. So this sets we implemented like a for loop in this area so that our users have an idea of like what COVID images look like and what normal images look like. And
And
then
that will be actually utilized so that the users can select which index of the image they want to test, if that's COVID or not. So we've pre-trained, so we've pre-inputted some data so that they don't have to input their own for this demonstration purpose.
exactly. And then um, this is part of our user interface. So if we run it, um, you can choose on COVID or normal. So let's say if we choose a COVID image, and then let's say we choose the sixth image,
It's going to be processing some data.
and then so this is the probability that it's COVID, and this is the probability that it's normal. So right now, in this instance, it's giving us an 89% probability that the image that we selected was COVID, which is pretty good in this case.
Yes, it has near 90% accuracy. And if we actually run through this code again and choose a non-COVID image that we've actually shown before,
Let's go
my
through
teammate
again.
will do this,
And then,
it's going to be processing the data. And as you can see, it has a 99% of
non-COVID, yeah.
non-COVID rate. So that's going to be our project. Thank you, judges, so much. I think this has great application in the current world with detecting COVID. It's such a epidemic that has a huge impact on all our lives negatively in a physical and emotional sense. So I hope we can really utilize this program for the better to better this world and impact the world we live in. Thank you, guys.
Yes.